In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D outro in CapCut. If you want a clean, eye-catching end to your video that feels polished and modern, this quick workflow will get you there. All you need is CapCut and the clip you want to use as your outro background. First, open CapCut, start a new project, and make sure your canvas matches where you'll publish. For YouTube, 16:9 is the standard. Keeping the right aspect ratio from the start avoids cropping later and helps your animation look crisp on every device. Next, add your video. Import the clip or background you want as the backdrop of your outro, ideally something 5 to 8 seconds long. Simple footage works best. Think a subtle gradient, a clean shot of your brand colors, or a slow-moving background, so that the 3D motion remains the star. Drop the clip on your timeline and trim it to the exact length you want. If this is closing out a longer edit, place it at the end of your sequence so you can preview the transition into it. Now, click on Animation. Make sure your clip is selected, then open the animation panel. You'll see categories such as In, Out, and Combo. For outros, out animations can create a confident closing move, while combo adds motion throughout the entire clip. Either works. It just depends on whether you want the effect to play the whole time or mainly as a finishing flourish. Finally, select a 3D effect. One of the most popular options here is Ice Cube. This effect gives your clip a dynamic three-dimensional shift that reads instantly as outro, adding depth and a premium feel. After choosing it, adjust the duration so the movement matches your music or pacing. Shorter durations feel snappier and more energetic. Slightly longer ones feel smooth and cinematic. Scrub through and preview a few times to make sure the angle and speed aren't distracting from any end screen elements you plan to show. A few quick tips as you tweak. Keep your background high contrast so text or end cards remain legible. If you're layering graphics later, leave some visual breathing room near the edges. And always preview full screen to check for unintended crop or flicker. That's the process. Open CapCut, add your video, tap Animation, and choose a 3D effect like Ice Cube. With a couple of thoughtful adjustments, you'll have a professional 3D outro that wraps up your content with style.